We'll be having soya milk, Tigernut, and Zobo preservative class. We'll be having Tigernut, soya milk, and Zobo preservative class. How to preserve your Tigernut, your Zobo, and your soya milk. How to preserve it up to 1 month and 2 weeks. Okay, not outside the fridge. Unlike your yogurt, I tell you guys that when you're paying for yogurt preservation class, you're actually going to preserve your yogurt and it can last outside the fridge for 1 month. But we all know that soya milk and tiger nuts are things that actually get spoiled on time. Like even if you put it inside the fridge, I've been making soya milk for a very long time. Even if you keep it in the fridge, soya milk will still go bad. Yes, it is like that. Even if you keep it in the fridge for a particular period of time, it will still go bad when it wants to go bad. And usually it does not even stay up to 1 week. So in this class, we are going to learn how to preserve your tiger nut, how to preserve your zobo, and how to preserve your soya milk 3-in-1 class. We are going to learn all of these, how to preserve them to last more than 1 month, not up to 2 months. I won't promise you what I won't do. Not up to 2 months, but it's going to last you up to 1 month and 2 weeks. Okay, but like I said, you have to have a refrigerator. You need to have a refrigerator. You can see very well for yourself that our yogurt preservation class is worth it. So for you out there still contemplating, and for you out there wanting to take the other drinks preservation class, you can start enrolling now. So guys, that is it for this video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.